Hey everyone, so today we will gonna cover spreadsheet question of May 2019 IGCSE ICT. This is under the paper 2 practical exam. You guys can check my other task A question because the spreadsheet question is fall under task B. So we will focus on task B today. So this is the task B. So here it says that CS Scuba teaches diving courses. The spreadsheet courses contain information about the courses offered. It has two worksheets called cost and detail. Some of the function require you use both worksheet. So I already mentioned it to the previous time that always use a pencil and write whatever you are completed. So it will easier for you to understand or to remember that you guys completed these things. Open the spreadsheet courses. Okay, open the worksheet cost, enter task, this one, in the header. So we will first work on this and this one. Always try to create a folder on your desktop so it will be easier to track where the file is located. So this one is section B, right? I put it section B. So the data file they are giving during the examination is this one, data files and this. So go to the data files folder and choose the latest office. If this one is not supported, then choose 2003. So I choose the latest one. And this is the spreadsheet courses. So this is the courses sheet. So it will be better if you copy these things, create a copy, because somehow if you do some mistakes you can use this one as your backup. Go to section B and paste it here. Okay, then open the courses file. So we open the courses file, then we will go to the courses. This one is all is the courses Excel, right? And then this is the cost. Here if you look at the bottom, you can see there is two things. One is cost, another one is detail. Okay, so we have to find out where the header is. So we can get the header and footer by two ways. So if you click on the insert from here, and then there is a header and footer. Click on the header and footer, you will get the header as well as the footer. And then we also have to go back to the normal view. How we can go back to the normal view? Go to the view, click on this, and then click on the page layout to normal. This one also possible. The other way we can also choose the header and footer is go to the view and then choose page layout. You can also get the header and footer. So for the header, they are saying that we have to add the task B. Task B1, your name, candidate number and center number. So task will be B1. Candidate number and center number. You will get it from your examination paper, these things. So we added the header. Then our question is asking that task B1, enter an automate timer in the footer and center it. Okay, we need to add an automatic timer. So what we'll do, go your worksheet and then for the timer. Okay, so move to the footer part, and this is the footer. For footer we need to add automatic timer. So look at here, there's a header and footer option. So click on this one and then you can get the current time. Okay, this is the current time. So our automatic timer one also done. Then they are saying that merge and center cell A1 to K1. That means we have to merge the cell A1 to K1. Then we have to go to the normal view. How to go to the normal view? Click on the view and from page layout choose normal. And here we can see A1 is this and K1 is this, right? This one, this part. So what we have to do? We have to merge it. So just click the whole thing and then go to your home. Here you can see merge and center. Just click on that. Now it is merge and center. After that, we already merge and center A to 1. Simple thing. Then they are saying that inserted a dotted line border around the merged cell. So what we have to do? This cell should be dotted. That means if I zoom this a little bit. Okay, so this is the cell. Okay, now we have to make it dot dot dot. So how we do it? Click on this and then this one. So what it do? Click on this and then from here you can choose. This one is no border, left border, but we need the border, but it should be dot dot. So what we'll do? Click the more border option and from here you can choose this or this. You can choose this one. Color should be automatic, but don't choose the none, choose outline. And then OK. Now if you look carefully, it is a dot. So if we zoom out, zoom in, we can view these things. Yes, so we already insert the dotted line around the merge cell. This one done. Then we will move to font size will be 22, font color white, and cell shading will be black. So for that one, font size we have to just do this, and then from here font size will be 22 and try to click this one. The side color, the background color, this one will be black and the font should be white. This is the font one, click white. So it's done. So that means this 3 done. Now we will move to the task B1B, which is Simon wants you to use a spreadsheet tool to analyze the data for the open water course. Okay, use a spreadsheet function to display the cost and discount for the open water course. So first we'll focus on the first one. Then we'll go to here. We'll first identify the cost. So for this one we have to use VLOOKUP, or maybe we can use lookup, but for this I will use VLOOKUP formula. That one you guys can use these things, like for here you can just click the equal and then choose VLOOKUP. And then VLOOKUP, actually we have to use here we already get all the value what we have to use, like lookup value. For lookup value, it means that this is the cost reference that we need to connect it to the other table. So if I give you an example about that, this is the cost reference, right? And we need to identify cost and discount. For this too, if I go to the detail table, you can see cost and discount is connected to cost reference, which is A, B, C, D, and F, something like that. So the cost reference table is present inside the cost table. So it will be, quite harder to go through each table that, okay, this is the cost for A, and then come to this table and write all these things. These things can do the mistakes. So for this one, we will use the VLOOKUP formula, and we will use this cost reference column and connect this to the detail table. Okay, so we start with the formula then. So for the formula, that one I already show you that you can use this one at first, like equals to first focus on the column. Like I want to find out the formula for cost. That one, what we'll do, equal, and then look up first bracket. From here you can see everything. The lookup value will be this one is the reference value that we will connect to the other table and we can get the data. Table array means if we go to the detail one, I will take the array from this table. After that, column index number and range lookup. So for this one, click on this, so it take the B3. After that, put the comma. When you put the comma, it will stop and it will take the other value. If you don't put the comma, it won't take the other value. So we take the lookup value, then we will go to the table array. So go to the table array. From table array, we need this cost and this one. Okay, and after that it's saying that column index. So which column we want? There on that table we want this cost table, right? So here there will be a comma, and then the number of the cost table is column 1, 2. So it will be 2. After that, it says the range lookup. So if you want to match, approximate match, then true, exact. If you want to put the exact value, then to put that as a false. So I need the exact one. Click on false and close your bracket. Okay, and then click on the enter. It take 400, right? C referred to 400. If I go to detail, I can also see that C referred to 400. So this is the formula for VLOOKUP that we are doing on hand. Like we are clicking on the thing, putting the comma and everything. There is another one. That one I'll show you now. So I mostly prefer this one because I think this one is much more easier compared to that one. So the thing is that click on the box that you want to get the answer, and then click on this fx. So here you can also search about VLOOKUP, or whatever the formula. If you want to find out it's not there, just put it there and then go click on this. It will give you the lookup value, table array and all those things. So lookup value is, this is the reference, right? We need this one to connect to other table. Then for the array, we will go to the details. We need this whole table array. So the name of this whole table array is courses. Then we will go to the index number. For the index number, the cost is 2. So just write 2. And here, range lookup means it can be false or true. So false is the exact match. So that means we need false value. We need exact match. That means it will be 400. So click OK. It will give you this. And then if you just drag this until E, it will give you all the value. So for the E, the cost is 600. How to check? Go to your detail, and then you can see E is 600, F is 650, right? So if I check, F is 650, yeah, everything is right. Now we will move to the discount one. Discount is also similar. So for the discount thing, what we'll do, so for the discount, click on your cursor to the discounted value, and then click on the formula. When the lookup formula, it is here. So we also need discount, and the reference for the two table is this, right? So we click on C, B3 is taken, and then we will choose the array. We go to the details table. When we click on the detail table, it already take the detail here, and then we want the whole thing like before. So it take the courses value. And then what happened, we need the column index. That means which column we want this count. This one is 1 2 3, column 3. But the problem here is when you move your cursor here, it will take you to this page. So you can do a mistakes, like if you go to the detail and try understand, okay, the table that I need the discount is this, it already take the detail value here. So try to remove this one and only write 3. After that, we also need an exact value. Just click false here and then OK. So it takes 0.1. Move it until 1. This is the value. So we completed cost and discount, right? So if I move to the question, we completed this part. This one completed. Now we will focus on display the number of courses with a cost reference of C. So the cost reference which is contain the keyword C, we have to find that thing. Courses with a cost reference of C. That means if I count it from here, there is 1C, 2C, 3C, right? But we can't put that it here, that 3. We have to use formula to count all these things. So for that one, point your cursor on the section where you want to get the answer, and then click on the function. Use COUNTIF, because COUNTIF will help us to count the similar number of letter or anything are there. So COUNTIF and then click on OK. After you click on OK, it will ask you for the range, like what will be the range you want to identify about the count number of C. So for me, I want from C to E. This is my range. So this is from this I want to get how many C are there, right? What are the criteria? Means is the condition form a number expression or text that define which cell will be counted. So which cell will be counted? We will count only the C1. Click on C and then OK. So you get the C. This one done. So this one also done. We cover 5 marks. Now move to the next question. So the next question is enter formula to calculate the cost of the open water course with a discount. So that means we have to calculate the cost for open water with the discounted prices. For that one, what we will do, if I give you the calculation, that one is our cost is 400, discount is 0.1. So how to get the discount prices? The price after discount will be cost minus discount, cost into discount. Then we will get 400 minus 40 will be 30. This will be the formula, right? So same thing we will use inside our spreadsheet. So that means the cost table column name is C3, cost C3, and discount is D. Sorry, cost is C, discount is D, right? So if I want to find these two, that means this one is under C3, this one is D3. So click on here and then go to the above and then click C. Then click this one. After that there will be a minus this multiplication by D3, close your bracket and then press enter. So it gives you the value 360. So this is the answer for the question. So we completed this one as well. Then they are asking about open water venue fee. We have to find out the venue fee for open water. So the open water is this. What will be the venue fee for open water? They are saying that days in open water venue is 2. And if we go to the detail, we can say the open water venue fee per day is 18, right? And number of days is 2. So how to calculate this 2? So open water venue fee, we will put the cursor here and then here give the equal first bracket, choose we need days in the venue, right? And for this we need to multiply. For the multiplication we use a star, means multiplication, and then we will go to the details section. Here we click on 18. So always remember and see that everything is perfectly aligned or not, because we are in detail table now and this one is D10, right? D10. So now close your cursor. After that, click enter. It will give you 36. The 36 means 2 into 18 is 36. Answer is correct. Then we will move to the next question, which is tank fee. This one is done. Tank fee. For the tank fee, they are saying that we can get the tank fee from here. That one is tank fee per drive is $5, and they are charging this based on the number of drives. So we have to again multiply by drive. So the formula will be the same, equal first bracket, choose number of drive, and then calculation, put the multiplication, go to the details section and click on 5, bracket close, enter. It gives you 20. So 4 into 5 is 20. Answer is correct. This two is done. Now we'll move to next question, which is total cost. For total cost, we can just add cost with discount. Like after the discount, this is the price we have to give. This one is the venue fee. This is the tank fee. For this one, just click here. And then you can also use the equal calculation from here, write it, or the easier one is just click here, click on the sum function, okay, and then from here choose the number of field. Like for this one we want this one is E3, then we need this one venue fee, then we need tank fee as well. The 3 is sum, then calculate, so it will give you the value for the total cost. So this one done. That means this one also done. Now they are saying that replicate all function and formula for all courses. So what we have to do, we have to put this one for other as well. So this one, everything is taking from this page, right? C and the D. Based on that, we are getting this. So when I will just look at the cursor should be like this, not this. When it will be like this, click and move it downward. It will give us all the value, okay. But when I go to the venue section, if I move like this, I get 0. Why? The reason is when I take the value from the detail page, it won't give the value for the other. For that one, we have to provide a dollar symbol. We will provide the dollar, the number. So here it will be the dollar, okay, and after that when I drag, it will give me all the answer. For checking, you can just check 36. Day in venue is 2, that their detail will be is 18. So 2 into 36, the answer is correct. So you also have to do this for this one as well, because this one is taken from the detail page. So put the dollar symbol here and then drag. It also gives the same thing. So the number of drive is 5, the price for the drive is 5, that is 5 into 5, 25. For the total cost, we take everything from here, so we don't need to put the dollar or anything. So just drag and then it will give you every value. So this one also done. Now we move to use a function in the notes column to display free kickback if the total cost of a course is more than £400, okay. Cell must be blank if the course does not cost more than £400. That means we have to use here one of the function, which is if the cost is more than 400, if the total cost of a course is more than 400, cell must be blank if a course does not cost more than 400, okay. So if a course costs less than 400, then it should be blank. So how to do this? Go to the Excel and then click here, go to the function here, choose if, okay, it's a logical function, click here. So what is the logic? The logic is we need the course fee must be above 400. So this is the course fee, right? So click on here, this is the course fee that must be greater than total cost is this, right? So this is the total cost of the course fee, and this must be greater than 400. So it should be 400. When it's true, what it will show? It will show free kit bag if it is false, then it will show us blank. So for the blank, put the quotation and give a space inside. After that, okay, so it gives us the free kit bag. Now point the cursor here. You can see the total cost is above 400, show us the free kit bag. So this one also done, we get the 2 mark. The next question is, use function to display this in an appropriate location. The highest number of dives, the lowest number of dives. So this one is quite simple. This one is the highest number of dives and the lowest number of dives. So for the highest number of dives, this is the dives column, right? For this one, just click and then click on the function. For highest, that just choose maximum. Okay, and from here, put the cursor here, and then this is the column. From this column we want the highest number, so and then click on OK. So highest number is 40. Is it 40? Yes, 40. What will be the lowest? Highest is max, lowest will be mean. So click on here and then go to click on the mean function. After that, click on OK, and from here choose the range, like number of types is this. Okay. And then click on OK. So the lowest is 0, 40 and then 0. So this one done. Now move to task B1C. So which is format the cost worksheet so that currency value show the currency symbol pound with 2 decimal places. So for this one, we have to find out where we need the currency symbol. We need the currency symbol inside the cost with discount, fee and the cost, right? So that means we need the cost, and then click on the control. Just put your finger on the control and click, and then click on the discount. After that, H, I and J. So you have to click on the control at the same time and then point out all of these things. So don't put up your finger from the control, because you still know I'm pressing the control button. Okay, and then go to the format, click on the format cell, and then from here this is the currency, right? And here you have to find out where is the pound. So pound is mostly English. This one also pound, English United Kingdom, decimal places is 2. Okay, so now it will take everything at 2 decimal places and there is a pound before each cost value. We completed this. Now we will move to heading. Heading and all data is visible. We'll complete this too. So for this one, just go to the home and here you can see wrap text. So for this one, click all this and then wrap text. So what happened if somehow you make it a little bit, it somehow cover? How it will cover? You have to, then you can see that it is covered, something like that. So what's the thing? This is the wrap text that we already done for the header part, and then all data must be visible. So all is visible, but we try to, if you want to try to reduce the space, just try to double click, so it will just set your data perfectly. Okay, yeah, so everything done. That means we completed this and this. Now we move to grid line and page footer are displayed when printed. Okay, so we have to check this one. Go to the file, click on the print section, and then here you can see okay, we have the header and the footer name. That one is displayed, but they also mention that they need the grid line. So for the grid line, remember this one, go to the page setup and then go to the sheet. From here click on this grid line. Okay, after that it will provide us a grid line. Then this one also done. Now here what it said, that save the spreadsheet as task B1. Print the cost worksheet in landscape showing the value on one sided of A4. So we have to save the spreadsheet as task B1. So first we do these things. Just click on save as. Go to your PC. I already create a folder. So which is on desktop. Click on your desktop. Okay. Click on the PC and then go to your desktop. From desktop I have section B, right? So this is the folder where I want to save, and then give the name as task. What is the name? Task B. Just wait. So the name will be task B B1. Task B1, it is Excel workbook, and then save. Okay, so it's save. Then check your folder. You can see that inside section B folder I have a task which is task B1, right? Now the question is, this one we did, print the cost worksheet in landscape showing the value of one sided of A4. That means we have to show the value, and this one should be landscape. So if you have to print these things, just go to the print, and then from here it's a landscape orientation already here, right? And everything is on one page. Done. So this one done. After that, display formula view and ensure all function and formula are displayed without truncation and will print no more than 3 sides of A4. Okay, so maximum we can use 3 paper. Print and cost the function and formula. So we have to get the formula first. What we have to do now, go here and from here click on the formulas and there show formula. Okay, now it will give you the view for all the formula, but it is taking so much space. So what to do, click on, double click to identify that it don't take much more space. And then go to the print option and then see how many pages they're taking. They're taking 4 pages. That means not workable, right? We have to make it 3 pages. So for that one, try to reduce these spaces here. And then again go to your print file and see how many pages they are taking. Now they are taking 3 pages, so it's okay. And the paper is A4, landscape is orientation. So this one, now print it. So this one also done. We completed 22 marks. Now we move to question task B2. So for task B2, Shimon wants to know how many kids back to order, filter the cost worksheet to show the courses where free kits are offered, right? So for this one we have to filter something. So how to do the filter? So here we will just remove the formula sheet, come to this, and from here we can click on the free kit. So for that one, go to this home page and then select this one, filter, sort and filter. Click on the filter, click on the filter and then click here. From here you just remove all, and this one you can get all the filter value. So we have to print this one. So you already get the, so we have to save it as a task B2 and then print the cost showing the value, right? So this is the print. We get all the value for the free kit. And this one, you see now some of the are not visible, so you have to make that visible. Make it visible. Okay. So this one we have to save. Again click save as and then go to your PC, open desktop, section B. Now we have task, this one will be task B2, then save these things. And for safety purpose, go and check. Okay, B1 we have B2 as well. So this one also done. We completed for 1 mark question. Now move to task B3. Okay, so for task B3, Shimon wants you to create a chart to display the discounted task B3 is open a new word processing document. Then enter task B3, your name, candidate, something. Save the document as task B3. Just first we concentrate on this. So we'll search to the document, Word document. Then take the blank paper. So I think you already know how to put the header and everything, but still I show you. So this one is task B3, then the name and everything will be here. After that, save this, save as, not section A. Go to your PC, desktop, choose section B, and here write task B3. Okay, and then save this file. So this portion is done. Now we will go and find out how to do the text B3. Shimon wants you to create a chart to display the discount offer for each cost reference. Use the detailed worksheet to create a suitable chart. The chart must be fit for purpose, have a suitable title and values. Okay, that the chart should be display the discount offer for each cost reference. Okay, so for each cost reference you have to create a chart. They also mentioned that we have to use the detailed worksheet. So we will go to our Excel file and then choose details. From here we can get our cost reference and discount price, right? And also here it mentioned discount offer for each cost reference. So that means I have to choose cost reference and discount. That means, and click Control, hold it, and then click the discount, and then put your finger from the Control button. After that, go to the insert, and from here you can get the recommended chart, or you can just click here and then from 2D and all you just choose this one. This is the chart we get. After that, they said that they want some title and everything. So for that one, axis style. So they will give us the. So this one is the name of the chart will be. You can put discount offer, right? Discount offer. The title, this one, and this one we have to write. This one is ABCD. So the name of this is cost reference. And this one is the discount. Okay, so done. If I go to the paper, they are saying that we have a suitable title, values, done, chart must say, okay, that save the spreadsheet as chart. Okay, now we have to again save the spreadsheet as chart. Paste the chart into B3 document. Make sure the chart is easy to read. Do not print at this stage. So what we have to do, we get these things. If you do some mistake, press Ctrl Z and then go to the file section, create save as this PC I already mentioned. Go to your desktop, choose section B. The price is chart. The name of this is CHART chart. Save these things here and then right click on this and the copy the diagram. After that, go to your Excel sheet and paste it. Or let's try to use this one, fixed on position. So try to fit this so it is more visible for the examiner. Okay, so this one is done. Now we move to the next question. So we completed this one and we also completed this one. If you want to check section B folder, there is a chart. The name of the chart is okay. Yeah, chart. Done. After that, we move to task B3B. So task B3, they are saying that use the cost worksheet to display only the data for course title, total cost and notes. Save the spreadsheet as task B3B. So what we have to do, go to the then we have to go to the cost one, and from here they are saying that there will be only 3 data. So what will be the data? The data should be course title, total cost and notes. Okay, so click this one and then again control, click on the hold on the control button and then click each and everything. So we need total cost and note course title. After that, from here right click, they are saying that hide it. So it is now showing course title, cost and notes. But we don't need this 3, so just remove this 3 then. So now we can get these 3 things. So if I move to here, we have to save task 3B and then take the screenshot of the including column, paste the screenshot task B3, something like that. So B3B, right? That one we have to do. Again click on the file, save as. Then I will take a screenshot for this one. Oh, sorry, not this. I have to take the whole thing. and then this one done. Take a screenshot, included column later, done. Paste the screenshot, task B3. So here if I go down, this one done. So this one done, this one done. Now we will move to task B3, which is answer this question on the document task B3. In the detailed worksheet, cell A to 7 are a name range courses, right? Explain one advantage of using name ranges in a spreadsheet. So what will be the answer is this. If I go to here and the details section, if you can see the name of this is a courses. So this one is actually a readable title and is easier to understand what these things or what this worksheet is actually mean. So for these things, when we'll do the calculation, like when we did the VLOOKUP and all, so we don't need to remember every of the cell. We just need put the courses. Like one of the example is if I just unhide everything. Okay, and then you can see this is the formula that we get. So here we get the course, right? So we can just easily take the courses here. We don't need to remember the formula. If you want to write here, you have to remember everything. So this is one of the advantage that we can get by using the courses. So the answer will be, so the answer is this for the first question. The range details are more human readable, so you don't need to remember the range address each time when you are doing the calculation, right? And then the second question is the second question is explain one advantage of using lookup table in a spreadsheet. So what the lookup table is actually lookup table, which is mostly used for searching a value, a return value or matching value or match value, something like that. If there is the same value double or triple time, you can use lookup to search that. This is the example of a lookup value that can be present in a column or it can be in a row. So what will be the answer for this one? So the answer is tables of values don't need to be repeated on the spreadsheet, so makes the content more efficient. So it makes the content more efficient because we don't have the chances to do the errors, because when we are shifting the data from here to there, one table to other table, maybe one of the data have a double or triple time inside the table, but somehow we mistake it and then we take it to the other one. This type of things can make confusion. For that thing, this lookup actually help us to search specific data, and it also help us to identify how many similar data are there. So that's it. Thank you. If you don't understand anything, please comment on the comment section so I can understand anything. If you don't understand, I will try to give your answer. And beside that, please like, subscribe and share with your friends so that they can know that these channels are actually working for ICT. And in future I'll be working on CS computer science as well for the Edexcel and Cambridge. So please support me by just subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.